For the last few months, we've tried to not talk about it. There's stuff going on globally, and we've decided to purposely not talk about it. But in today's video, it's so important that we're going to actually take time and talk about it with you.
And look!
What the dog doing?
There you go, that's good.
Hi guys, Shaun here from 5 Star Marine with the always funny Jay.
Hello, not so funny. Did you see my weather video the other day? You should watch it because it was very funny.
I did watch it.
I was a little bit hungover.
You know what the most hilarious part of the entire last month has been?
What?
You stuck in a canoe in the middle of a mangrove.
No. What's going on there? Hey, we're filming. Who's doing that? Anyway, we did a TV movie shoot we can't talk about, signed for the NBA, and Shaun left me in the mangroves. And the tide was coming up, and I didn't have much beach. Here's an image, look, see that. Anyway, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about bad things, Shaun.
Actually,
good things.
For the last 3 months, we've been very clear that we're not going to talk about what's happening in the world.
That's
we're not
right.
going to talk about the global crisis, the fuel crisis, but it's got to a point now where I think it's time that we do step forward and have something to say.
Do you know what? If you've ever seen Fawlty Towers, you might get this bit. Don't talk about the war.
All differences forgotten, and no need at all to mention the war.
Sorry. I'm sure Miguel will put that bit on. Got it?
Funny,
there you go,
funny.
thanks.
So anyway,
Yes.
the global crisis, what's been happening in the world, and we're not going to talk about specific scenarios.
That's right.
It has been affecting Phuket in a very big way. Firstly,
Tell me about it.
fuel has gone through the roof.
Yeah, let me explain this, right? I have to do school runs every day, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 school runs, because I got kids that finish at different times. I used to fill my car.
Drive a car, he now rides a bike.
I don't ride a bike yet. And now on a push bike. I wish I could go on a push bike. Anyway, I used to fill my car up. It's over there, you'll see it, I'll put a picture up of it. That used to cost me 1,300 baht, full tank. Happy days. Job's a good one. Ask me now.
How much?
1,800 baht, Shaun.
Yes.
That's gone up a percentage of do the maths.
A lot.
A lot. A big percentage rise. Not good.
50%, like 40 something percent.
You're the accountant, you do it.
Anyway, so we thought we should talk about it.
Yes.
Firstly, I want to talk about what we haven't done.
What haven't we done, Shaun?
As 5 Star Marine, we haven't put a fuel surcharge on.
What? Everybody else has, Shaun. Why aren't you doing it?
Because we feel like we want to respect our guests and honor them for booking with us. So as such, we have put no fuel surcharge on, and we haven't increased prices.
Hold on. You haven't put a surcharge on, you haven't increased prices with this global world problem? Wow, Shaun, you're nice. See what I did there?
We decided to try and keep everything as is and keep it as normal as possible.
That's right.
And we have been encouraging people who have down by the negative news cycle to get out in the sea and just forget about the world.
That's right. That's what Shaun and I are doing lately. We've been getting out a lot. You can see we're looking tanned and happy, relaxed,
How many
joyful.
Days? We spent more days on the sea
Mate,
last
I've
month
had
than...
a May and actually April and May have been my best months ever, I think, because we've been out loads on the boats.
And actually,
just having fun.
In terms of happiness, like happiest 2 months of my
Oh,
life.
mate, mental health, I can tell you this right now, just going out on a boat, for me personally, and for you I think as well, and for many people I know, just being on the boat and just cruising around, the stress just goes. And stress is the biggest, horriblest, most worst thing in the world. Get out.
If I had a choice between scrolling my phone and reading about the world going to end, or going to Phuket Bay or PP.
Which way do you scroll?
Scroll.
You scroll up, don't you, I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Or going to Phang Nga or PP.
Yeah.
I'm going to obviously go to Phang Nga or PP.
I would probably go to Phang Nga right now, Shaun, to be fair.
Yeah. So
or
anyway,
Hong Krabi. I went to Hong Krabi the other week, that was really good.
So anyway, we thought we should talk about it.
Yes.
The other thing to add is that it is having a significant effect on tourism.
That's right.
So if you are in Phuket right now,
hello,
the concept of leaving early or beating the crowds, that kind of concept's gone.
Yeah.
Now you can kind of leave anytime and you'll beat the crowd.
That's right. There's no crowds at the moment, which is nice.
So all I wanted to do was to take some time today to actually address it, because a lot of people have been asking, oh, why haven't you addressed it? And we thought, well, it was best.
Did they say it like that?
Well,
whoever said, why haven't you addressed it, then to you. Don't say that to my mate Shaun. Anyway, yeah.
I thought it was important that we focus on the positive.
Yes, positive, Shaun.
And not the negative.
Yes. There's some positives that we shouldn't focus on.
For example,
Yes.
positive.
I'm positive and happy at the
Jay
moment.
has a lot of dogs.
We've got 2 dogs, 2 cats now, got little
Negative.
Jacks. What?
They do a lot of poo that he has to clean up.
Yeah, that's true actually. Oh, do you know what? Positive. My little cat Lynx had a little kitten called Jax. There's a little picture of Jax. Positive, he's cute as a button. Negative, little Lynx has decided to wee on everyone's beds now instead of going to the litter tray, which is nice.
So then also positive.
Yes.
5-star Marine hasn't increased the price,
What? Hasn't increased the price?
hasn't done a surcharge,
Hasn't done a fuel surcharge?
has less people on the sea than ever before.
It's a long one, okay. Has got less people on the sea than ever before. Got that bit.
So that's all the positive.
That's all the positives. Oh, is that it?
Negative.
Hold, no, I'm not doing negatives.
Negative.
Yeah.
World news sucks.
World news sucks. Yay.
Anyway, that's it.
Is it?
We wanted to actually cover it because we have been purposely staying away from it. We made a decision at the start of this
Sure, made decision.
global
Whatever. Craziness.
that we weren't going to talk about it. But today we think it's time to talk about it because actually very, very soon Phuket's going to have a problem where there's not enough work. There's going to be a lot of high unemployment, and then you're going to have an even bigger problem than COVID.
That's right. Hey, and if you're a local, come out on the boat. You probably haven't been out to your backyard for ages. When was the last time you went to Pangnar Bay? Hey?
When was the last time you climbed Hong Karabi View?
Yeah, when was the last time you went up Kondok? Oh, that's probably not the right expression to say. Yeah, I know. I was trying to make a joke about going up something, but mate. Should we go now?
That's it, guys.
All right.
Bye. Like
Thanks
and
for watching.
subscribe.
Oh yeah, comment below if you've got any questions about fuel surcharges. We're not doing fuel surcharges or price increases. Bye.
For the last few months, we've kept away from talking about this subject, but today we're going to get...
Hold on, you're going to have to start again because you said subject. It's subject. God. Can you enunciate properly, please? Thanks. No, don't do that!
Today we do have some good news, and we're going to cover it all in the next video, in today's video. You can cut the next frame.
You can't do that.
You can't cut the next.
You can't, you didn't leave a gap.
Okay, do it again.
No, you do it again.
I'll do it again.
Come on then, 3rd time, hold on. 3rd take, Sean.
Perfect.
Great intro, Sean. Well done. Only took 3 takes. Right, ready?
Fuck
Good.
you, 10, take 1.
Don't say that! It's so dark all the time.
Because I got